So we closed at 38. This low is 44. So this is extremely bearish. It's quite negative for the pound Aussie, and we should be looking for continuation to the downside, and we should be looking for it to continue down. And we need to be taking guidance from the Aussie dollar itself, because if we are going to get sorry, I apologize, my apologies. If you look here, we closed the week at 154.38. If we put the weekly chart on, actually this week close is lower than this, below this week's low, and that is quite bearish, and we should be looking for a further decline to the downside, and we should be looking for it to continue down. So right now this is quite a bearish setup, and we should be going for a good move at least to the downside. There's no real reservation. I mean, the only reservation is just it's been going sideways like this for a while. It didn't even really break down. I don't know, it should have broken, because this low here is 39, this is 38. This is 44. It should have broken down. Shorting it looks to be too easy. Alright, so anyway, we trade what we see, so we have to take it to the short side. But here's what we're gonna do. I don't have any structure over here or anything that tells me that the market is changing direction. So this is 154.38, let's say 40. So I have a minor structure over here, so we can buy. That would be our buying point above 154.77, and if we buy it above 154.77, we are going to place our stop below 154.57. so this is going to be our stop. Okay, we are only going to go short below the low, and that low is 19, so we're going to go short below 154.19. And if we do, we're going to place our stop right above the 154.60. We're going to use the same stop for both. We're going to buy it above 154.77, and if we do, we're going to use the same stop on both sides, 154.57. 157. Okay, my structure long is the 158. .34, and my structure short is nothing but air. I'm going to leave it at the 1.5 because it's the all-time low. Okay, so this is the pound Aussie. We're going to buy it above 154.77, and if we do, we're going to place our stop below 154.57. So we're risking about 20 pips. Our structure long is the 158. So if it does break above that, we have about 400 pips to the upside. On the short side, we're going to go short below 155.18, 19. I mean, and our stop is going to be the 155.60. And my structure short point to the downside is the 150. The bias is to the downside, and we're going to see, but we just have to be careful because it stayed about 5 or 6 days moving sideways within that narrow range. Okay, alright guys, with that I thank you very much, and I hope you have a great week, and we hope, I don't know, next week is Easter, Janet, right? Okay, so we remember to discuss it tomorrow what we're going to do next week, okay? So I guess probably it's going to be week off. Alright guys, thank you very much and have a great weekend, guys.